Hi there, and welcome to Make It Happen Monday. Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I am the Everyday Sewist. And Make It Happen Monday is my own little project where I try to remind myself about the things that I want to make that I never seem to get around to. So I thought today I would give you a little update on what I did last week and what I am putting together today because it's Monday. So the first project I did is this really cute little banner for my state of Indiana, and it was a little kit that I bought during the shop hop last year, and it was a project that I bought it because I liked it and it was really cute. And did I ever get around to it last year? No. So it was one of the things on my list to get to work on during Make It Happen Monday. So if you'd like to know just a little bit more about it, it came from Bee Quilting and Such. That's in Munster, Indiana. It was a really cute little shop that I went to for the first time during the shop hop. And this kit came all packaged up, just really, really cute in this little like sandwich tray. And it had everything that you needed. It had the picture of what you were making. It had a full page of directions, and it had your transfers ready. It had the border, the binding, the backing, the batting, and this cute little pin that you put in for where you live. So everything was included in the kit, and it was only $20. So deal, right? And when I was at the shop, you also got to pick out the colors that you wanted to make your state out of. And I just happened to really be in the mood, I guess, for doing those golden tones, those really pretty golden tones. So it was, my Make It Happen Monday is usually a project that's between maybe half an hour to an hour. I did not get this done in that amount of time. It probably took me, I think it was about 4 sessions. The first session, it took me like 10 minutes to sew the squares together for the state. And then I went and I chose a different background fabric because I didn't want plain white. So that took a little time, and then I had to relearn how to do machine applique, and that was kind of fun, but it did take me a while. If you are a machine appliquer, you would probably zip through that in no time at all. I found that I needed to make myself some notes and look up some things, but it was fun to do. It was, because it's so different from what I usually do, I really enjoyed working on that. Then I actually popped this on my long arm to do the crosshatch quilting design on it. So, and then later that evening, I put the binding on and stitched it down by hand. And I also included a couple of cute little tags on the back. So, highly recommend doing that one little project. No, it doesn't always fit into the half hour to 1 hour, but it was super fun. And since I was thinking I was going to do that this week but got it done last week, that meant that I had to come up with something else that I wanted to get done this week. So my whole thing now is trying to finish up things and not start new things, unless it's a project like this that I've had waiting to get done. So I went back to working on my witch's feet for today, and I have one top already completed, and I thought I'd really like to get the second one done so that then I could get that on my long arm and get both of those quilted together at the same time. So if you watched my episode that just came out the other day, I did talk about this a little bit, and maybe that's partly what reminded me. So today I have been cutting the pieces, and I started to assemble my boots and all the rest of the pieces for this project. So again, it did take me more than a half an hour to get that cut out, and that's okay. But I'm really happy with the progress that I got made on it today. So even if I don't come back to it right away, I could probably get the top finished the next time I sit down to sew. So that's really great progress and a great thing to get worked on. And so I hope that you have the chance to have a project like that on hand where you want to get it done, and that you will make it happen on a Monday or whatever day of the week works for you. See you next time with another update. Bye-bye.